Hello guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to automate Facebook group posting using n8n and Airtop. And the output is for you to be able to post into several group Facebook, so you don't need to do it manually, posting, copy and pasting one and another Facebook group. So the first thing you need to go is go to Airtop.ai, because we are using Node Airtop.ai for this tutorial. This is the Airtop. The first thing you need to register. I have already done it over here. And then the next step is you need to have the API key that will be copied into our n8n workflow. And also we need to make a profile. In this profile is something like a session that store all of your login. So for the first step, you need to do the browser session in API playground and put profile name. Like in my case, it is Facebook FB, and we go to the facebook.com. We start the session. Alright, it start loading. So basically in this API playground is using the human input to do several actions that will be done by the AI. For example, if we need to click or hover on something, we just type like let's say we start with click paste interaction. For example, I wanna click on my profile. I want to switch another account. We just type click on profile on top, profile icon on top right. And run. Yeah, you see it, click it. Yeah, so if you need to do some actions like query or scrolling to bypass to bot detection, you can do something like this. You need to very specify on this, because this human input will be also taken into Airtop nodes in n8n. And next we are going to n8n workflow. Okay, so basically in this workflow I use Telegram trigger to send the message on my Telegram account using a bot, and then after that I do manual mapping. Like the post is using the chat ID, because for Telegram we need to specify chat ID, and then create a session. We need to provide the profile name. Before I using FB, but I made another one which is profile name using Facebook that we have in the Airtop dashboard before. And then we can create a window. We need to take session ID from the previous one. Maybe let's start it. Okay, let's just get on to the demonstration. For this testing we need to execute workflow, waiting for the input. I will type test post to group from Telegram. We need to send. Yeah, it's actually create a session, create a window. After this we will get a live view to see what's actually happened in the browser. So let's click on this, and then we can get this one. We need to copy this one. We need to copy, and we make another browser session on here. So now it's called on home, and in this hover an element, and then start. Click postbook. Type text like what we input in Telegram. the final is clicking on pause. Yeah, it successfully paused to the testing group and also notify success. See, publish to group 1. This is the dummy group I have made. This is the group link. And also because in this sheet it has 2 groups, so it will do the same input into the second group. Okay, just waiting. Post the same. Expose group from Telegram. After posting, we do scroll 60% to bypass, and now we are terminating a session. Why we need to terminate a session? Because in the free trial on Airtop, we need to specify this because we cannot make more than one session. So when we start the session, create a window. In the end of the workflow, we need to terminate the session. If you have comment, question, or request a workflow, just give me a comment and grab this workflow on kaistas.studio. Hope you enjoyed this, and goodbye.